Hi, welcome to this video on how to change currency on Airbnb. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. On the main page, you'll see the default currency, which is currently set to Australian dollars. To change it to another currency, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Profile. This will take you to your profile page. Next, click on Payments and Payouts. On the payment page, you'll see AUD at the top, indicating Australian dollars. Click on AUD and you'll be taken to the currency selection page. Here, you can choose from various currencies like Canadian dollars, USD, Euro, and more. For this tutorial, I'll select Euro. Once you make your selection, the currency will immediately change to Euro. To verify, go back to the main page, and you'll see that all prices are now displayed in Euro. That's how you change the currency on the Airbnb app. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.